and welcome back to the channel. So we are here at the 2026 Cincinnati Auto Expo here at the First Financial Center. So there's a ton of manufacturers here at the event. There's basically a mix of everything, all the way from economy vehicles all the way up to sports cars, and some local car clubs bringing classics and stuff here. Ton of fun. There's a lot of stuff to take a look at, so let me take you around and show you what I've looked at. So the ID4 Buzz is back. Basically, this is every auto show I've been to. This is the configuration with the added rear seats. I believe there's some models that you don't have the rear seats in. It's been a while since I've reviewed one of these, but interior looks about the same. No changes this year. Tons of plastic, tons of room. Basically, if you're hauling stuff, this is gonna be a great vehicle for you. If I wanted to own one of these ID Buzzes, I would have to get a fog machine in the back. It'd have to play Rastafari music. It has to play the part. So Ford brought a few controversial items. You have the Bronco that's not really a Bronco next to its bigger brother. And then back here in the corner behind this sign, you'll see the Ford Mustang that really isn't a Mustang next to real Mustangs. But a couple things I'll give this. One, I do really enjoy the color on this. I think some of the colors that the Mustang has come out with, especially this season, have looked really, really good. And honestly, this is not a bad EV. It's not a bad car even. I think the biggest thing is just having that Mustang moniker has turned some people off to buying this vehicle. And then obviously next to the Nautilus, they have a Navigator. In this color, I don't want to say rose gold, maybe that's what it is. If somebody correct me, but I really like this. And those wheels remind me of some of the wheels that I've seen on the higher end Genesis models with kind of the little spoke designs that you see there, kind of like the flags. And then inside, you have this kind of off-white interior that I can really get behind. And then as you've seen, there's that huge screen that Lincoln is putting in just about everything. There's a screen up top, there's a screen there, and then in the back, I believe, yep, there's a screen in the middle, and I believe the seats can even be optioned to have screens as well. One thing we got to give Lincoln is bringing in an old Continental. This thing is sharp. It's got the suicide doors. It is decked out. This is clean. I would take this home today. This is like some Brandon Brooks level shit, and I'm all about it. This is a fantastic car to have sitting here. I do not know who is in the market for a Toyota Land Cruiser that wants it in this baby shit brown. This Toyota Tundra TRD Pro, love the color, love the setup. This is just kind of fun. I don't know if this is like basically their version of like competing against the Raptor and whatnot. I don't know these trucks well enough, but really fantastic color, really good choice. The only thing that I don't like, we'll see if we can get close. You can kind of tell, not really well in the camera. Let's see if I can get over here. Yeah, you can kind of see it there. There is a ton of orange peel in this paint. Brought this thing. I've been hating on this car something fierce. It is just way too overpriced, and I don't think delivers really any sports car value. While we're over here at Hyundai, one thing we're going to talk about, and I've noticed this is a continuous trend throughout everywhere at the auto show. Every vehicle, I don't know, there you go, you can kind of tell. We are at an auto show where people are looking to buy vehicles and whatnot. Usually every time I go and do media for an auto show, you'll see people walking around and detailing the cars, you know, wiping them down, especially when people are getting in and out of vehicles. And for some reason, I'm not seeing that here today. So one thing I wanted to touch on while I was here at the Cincy Auto Expo is if you go all the way to the back left, you're gonna see a bunch of car clubs, and Dynasty Auto Events actually has 2 vehicles here. Braden brought his Audi, and Christian brought his Toyota. Both are here. You can actually scan some QR codes for the rally coming up here in July 2026. If you are into driving your car and having fun with your vehicle, this is gonna be the thing for you. So go take a look at the cars we got here. Take a look at those QR codes. We'd love to have you come along. Stellantis brought the Dodge Charger, and these are the ICE editions. If you'll notice, these aren't the EVs, and they're also the 2-doors. When I was in Detroit, they had a lot of the 4-door models there, and honestly, for what Stellantis is and where they're at kind of in their life cycle, this is not a bad car. Like, the only thing I don't like is, like all Dodges, you're seeing this kind of big, burly, like interior still huge. I think this is like oversized for what it should be if you're kind of in that sports car segment. But if somebody bought one of these, I don't think I would necessarily hate it. Do I think it's a great car? No. But for what Dodge and Stellantis are putting out right now, I think this is probably some of their best work. I mean, I can get behind this, quite literally, actually. Fiat 500 color. It is fantastic. Fantastic color. And Jeep's king of excesses here. I don't need this. I have no reason to own one of these, but damn it if I do want one. I think these things are just stupidly cool looking. So this is a first for me. I've never seen campers ever like at any auto show. Want to live in a van down by the river? Come with me. Let's take a look at this. This is really interesting. We've got like this overhang. I think that's like one of those like tarps, you know, that kind of like covers the side. But if we pop up in here, you've got a microwave, you have a sink, you've got like these 2 couches, which I'm assuming probably like go together to make a bed. And then in the back, you literally have a shower, a shitter. Like there's your shower head. Like if you wanted to kind of be total hippie vibes and, you know, have van life, this is it. I wonder if Hyundai is happy that they brought a Bengals car instead of Red's car after the loss that the Reds just had on opening day, because that would have been awkward. All right, guys, I don't know if it's just me getting older or Buick's really made that much in changes. I know they did the whole like this is your grandfather's Buick kind of commercials a bit ago, but honestly, this new Buick is not bad. Like the displays look really nice. You've got nice ambient lighting throughout the cabin. I think it's the right size. You've got storage there in the middle. You've got some storage here over in the side that looks really good. I mean, for kind of a mid-size SUV, this is kind of nice.